Flexion Robotics is quietly becoming one of the most critical players in the new wave of humanoid robotics, not by building a humanoid body, but by creating its brain. Based in Zurich, this Swiss startup is developing the intelligence layer that could eventually power many humanoid robots worldwide. Flexion is a robotics and AI company focused on creating a general-purpose autonomy platform for humanoid and human-capable robots. Instead of competing on hardware, Flexion aims to be the software layer that enables robots to understand tasks and operate in real human environments. The company was founded in late 2024 and is already attracting serious attention in the robotics and AI ecosystem. Its team includes former researchers and engineers from major players like NVIDIA, ETH Zurich, Meta, Google, Tesla, and Amazon. Flexion's big idea is to build a single, powerful AI brain that can control multiple humanoid robots rather than relying on a single proprietary platform. The goal is to be largely morphology agnostic, meaning the same intelligence stack can be adapted to different robot bodies, from humanoids to other complex robotic systems. This approach positions Flexion a bit like an android for humanoid robots, an operating and intelligence layer that hardware manufacturers can plug into their platforms. If successful, this could massively accelerate the deployment of capable humanoids across industry, logistics, and beyond. Flexion's platform is built in layers, each handling a different part of the autonomy problem. At the top, a command layer uses large language models to interpret natural language instructions and perform task-level reasoning, so robots can take high-level goals and break them into steps. Below that, a motion layer uses vision language action models to connect what the robot sees with what it should do next, turning perception and language into physical actions. At the lowest level, a transformer-based whole-body control system coordinates all of the robot's joints and limbs in a smooth, coordinated way. To make all this work in the real world, Flexion relies heavily on simulation, reinforcement learning, and sim-to-real transfer techniques. Robots train in large-scale simulated environments, learning skills and behaviors that can later be transferred to physical robots without extensive manual coding. This reduces the need for handwritten, scripted behaviors and opens the door to more general, adaptive humanoid capabilities. The platform is designed to support long-horizon tasks, dynamic environments, and continual learning across different robot platforms. Most humanoid efforts today have impressive hardware, but are still limited by scripted, brittle, or heavily teleoperated control software. That makes them hard to scale into real-world deployments where flexibility, autonomy, and safety are critical. Flexion targets humanoids first because their human-like form factor is ideal for working in existing human environments, from warehouses to factories to inspection and field work. With a robust autonomy layer, these machines could handle tasks such as logistics, manufacturing assistance, facility operations, and even disaster response with far less manual oversight. In November 2025, Flexion announced a $50 million Series A round to accelerate development of its humanoid robot brain. The funding is earmarked for scaling compute infrastructure, expanding their test robot fleet, and growing their research and engineering teams in Zurich and the United States. The company is also deepening partnerships with robot OEMs, aiming to integrate its autonomy stack with multiple humanoid platforms rather than committing to just one. This positions Flexion as a central software provider in the emerging humanoid ecosystem. Here is a quick comparison to clarify where Flexion fits in the humanoid landscape. Flexion focuses on the AI, brain, and autonomy stack for many robots. While typical humanoid companies build full robots with proprietary hardware and software for one platform, Flexion's hardware strategy is morphology agnostic, partnering with OEMs, contrasting with companies that build proprietary humanoid bodies in-house. Their tech foundation includes LLMs, VLA models, transformers, reinforcement learning, and sim-to-real, unlike the mix of control algorithms, teleoperation, and scripted behaviors often seen elsewhere. Flexion's business model involves licensing its intelligence layer, enabling integration into many robots, rather than selling or deploying their own branded humanoids. Their long-term vision is one shared brain across diverse robotic platforms, moving away from vertically integrated, robot-specific ecosystems. If this strategy works, Flexion could become a standard intelligence layer across fleets of humanoid robots deployed in logistics, manufacturing, services, and even in more extreme environments, such as space or planetary exploration. If this deep dive into Flexion's humanoid robot brain helped you understand where the future of robotics is heading, take a second right now to hit that like button. That simple click tells the algorithm this kind of advanced robotics content is worth showing to more people. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on humanoids, AI robotics, and the tech shaping our next decade, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next upload.